Okay, I'm not going to be going out overnight simply because it is freezing cold and I've got a lot of issues on the go at the moment. Primarily with this insurance claim, I have stated so many times in emails and on the phone I do not want them having access to my personal history beyond the crash because I know that it's used as demographic information to target people, Jocelyn baby powder, etc. They've done it anyway. So anger issues are only distractions, not the woods. But I'm going to be going out anyway just for lunch. So I'm not taking all of it. I'm going to be taking one meat gammon steaks, mushroom, half an onion, and a sliced up part of my cabbage. Little stove, kettle, cup, 3/4 litre of water for the coffee, coffee, milk, powder, sugar, bit of crap to start the fire, my hammock chair, little frying pan and a spoon, and of course my firelighter. So I do like the firelighter. So that is basically what I'm taking in me little Bergen. I'm not going to bother taking the full Bergen, there's no point. So yeah, it's freezing cold, it's raining at the moment. So yeah, get my legs strapped up and hobble out.